In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file or video to OneDrive. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your credentials, which usually include your email and password, and once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This dashboard provides access to various Office applications and tools that Microsoft offers through its services. On the dashboard, locate the app launcher in the top left corner. The app launcher is represented by 9 small dots arranged in a grid pattern. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu displaying several Microsoft web applications, one of which is OneDrive. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to open it. After you click on OneDrive, you'll be taken to a new page showing all your files and folders stored in OneDrive. If it's your first time, you might see some default files or folders here. Once you're in OneDrive, navigate to the folder where you'd like to upload your files or videos. If you haven't created a specific folder yet, you can choose to upload files in the main directory or create a new folder by selecting New from the top menu. Now that you've chosen or created a folder, it's time to upload your files. Look for the upload option, which you can find in the menu bar at the top of the page. Clicking on it provides you with options to either upload files or an entire folder. For most purposes, you'll want to select the Files option, which allows you to choose specific files from your device. After you click on Files, a file dialog box will appear. This dialog helps you browse through your computer's directories to find the files or videos you want to upload. Navigate through your folders and select the desired files by either double-clicking them or selecting them and clicking Open on your file dialog window. You can select multiple files by holding the Ctrl key while clicking them. Once you've made your selection and confirmed by clicking Open, the upload process will begin. Depending on the size and number of files, this could take a few seconds to several minutes. You'll see progress indicators or a notification showing that your files are being uploaded to OneDrive. Once completed, you'll find your items neatly placed in the folder you initially selected within OneDrive. And there you have it, your files are now safely uploaded to your Microsoft OneDrive, accessible from anywhere with internet connectivity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy uploading.